Hello, in this video tutorial, I'll show you how to add an advance payment in Zoho Books. After logging in, go to Customers tab, which you can find in Sales. Click on it, and now you can see this is the customers that I currently have. And since you only see the customer, um, once you see the customer, click on it, and then once you click on it, click New Transaction and click on Customer Payment. And once you click on it, you can record the advance payment. Enter the payment amount, the date, and payment method. Then you can save it. And this records the advance payment from your customer, which you can later apply to invoices as needed. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe if this video was helpful.